Today is May 1st. Time flies, especially when April is Uncle Sam's time period to take advantage of people. But that's not why we're here. We are here to find out about this chicken and rice ordeal. Chicken and rice. So I'll be frank, transparent. I had chicken and rice 97% of all my meals for that 30 days. I did have 2 meals that were not chicken and rice around Easter. But other than that, chicken and rice. And I learned a lot about discipline and seeing it through and pushing forward. But I also learned that you can have and achieve anything that you want. Because on April 1st, I started off with 13.6% body fat. And as of today, which is May 1st, so we'll say throughout the entire month of April, my body fat is now 9.2%. I have not lost a significant amount of muscle mass. I'm still in the 240s, and I'm back to the desired physique that I want to have, that I want to maintain. I know, why would I want to maintain single-digit body fat? Because I do. That's it. Some people want to eat all the Cheetos and Oreos and preach body positivity. This is my body positivity, so please don't offend me. But oh man, yeah, 9.2% body fat. I'll throw it up on the screen. You can pause it and look at the progression and identify the muscle mass. I'll even put the whole scan up this time so you can see the analysis of each of my body parts, arms, legs, core, yada yada. But now what? I'm definitely not sticking with just eating chicken and rice. But I learned something in this whole ordeal. Let me explain. If you look at the chart that was on the screen, you can see that my body fat fluctuated because I did do some checks in between. And what I learned is it's not necessarily just eating chicken and rice. It's the amount of rice that you consume. Managing that consumption of rice will help you craft the physique you want. When I started overdoing the rice, my body fat was like, oh, surplus. And yeah, that was not the goals that I wanted. So I reduced the rice back, got that in check, stuck with the plan, ate the chicken, pushed the workouts through. Didn't do any extra cardio like I planned on. I threw in some morning sessions maybe once or twice a week, not the whole 4 times a week, because then I could have gotten probably into low single digits, but no, I didn't. No fabrications here. I did not do that. All I did was eat chicken and rice, moderate amount of rice, as much chicken as I saw fit, and I worked out really hard. And the results, they speak for themselves. It was fantastic. I'm happy with my results. And I'm gonna keep pushing forward. I'm not gonna have nothing but chicken and rice, but please believe, chicken and rice is a staple in the middle of the day for lunch. It's easy. I got a rice cooker. Chicken breasts are always on deck. Stick to the plan. As far as breakfast and dinner, that'll vary. Then I'll throw in some delectable treats, but I'll make sure I'll position it on big muscle group days like back or legs. And here we are. I am thoroughly satisfied. I tested my discipline. I wore all black a good majority of the time. And yeah. So what's next, right? It seemed like April flew by. I had all these plans to really make all this content, and I didn't because I was focused on some goals. One, trying to avoid the molestation of the IRS that I failed to do. So they took all of the money that they saw fit. But next year, it'll be a different game story. Been working on that with my accountant. We're gonna get this structured appropriately to make sure that, I take advantage of everything that I could potentially take advantage of. On top of that, I've been busy writing. I'm not gonna say what I was writing for, but if you know, you know. And hopefully I have great news to share. If not, I will share absolute transparency of, I'm not gonna say it'd be a failure, but of my shortcomings of not gaining entry into something that I wanted to gain entry into. Can't sugarcoat it. Can't win at everything. But moving forward, creativity. Oh boy. So I got some things in the pipeline. I recorded a video. I need to edit it about using ChatGPT as a stay-at-home teacher. You want to stay at home and school your kids, how you can leverage ChatGPT. I'm gonna get it up, I'm gonna get it done. It's gonna be out soon. And from that, it's time to get creative. I ordered a couple of lenses, that 24mm 1.4G Master. Ooh! I can't wait for that. But I also got this vintage lens, this Helios 44-2. Give it a, little razzle dazzle. I'm trying to see how I want to craft and push and create. And I hope you guys are ready to come along for the journey. So with that being said, this is just a quick update. Easy peasy. If you want to get lean, you want to get shredded, simplify your life. Protein and carbs. Not too many carbs. Just the right amount to push yourself in the gym. Protein, we'll say the standard bodybuilding nomenclature. What is it? 1 gram per pound of body weight. That's high. I mean, you can go and say, oh, well, let's do 0.9 grams per pound of body weight. But if you did 1 gram per pound of body weight and you worked out really hard and you kept your carbohydrates moderate, you'll get some results. But see, the thing is, like I drank water, BCAAs mixed with water, but water all month. It was dry, totally dry, including the holidays. No drinks. Okay, let me say it again for the people in the back of the room.
No drinks.
Okay? So dry. So what that means is, yeah, I got these results. And I only ate chicken and rice. But even if I didn't just eat chicken and rice, it's the fact that I didn't drink any of my calories.
Not just from alcohol, but from juice. I know people love their juice.
Their tasty juices, sodas, things of that nature. Nah, none of that. So can you get these results? Yeah, I believe in you. But just remember, everything you put in your body cause and effect. So whatever it is that you put in your body, just be prepared for whatever the effect should be. If you don't know what the effect should be, I would say Google it. That being said, thank you for swinging by for this update. It's May 1st. We're getting started again. Creativity rising to the top. And yeah. Leave some comments in the comments. Ask some questions if you want more questions. And come kick it with your boy. That being said, it's been a pleasure.